welcome back to another adequate unboxing video. Today we have world's smallest Etch-a-Sketch. Yes, it actually works. I would hope so. On the back, it shows you how to use it. Let me see if I can, let me zoom in. Left knob draws left and right. Well, okay. Right knob draws up and down. Oh boy. Turn both together for angles and curves. When you're done, turn over and shake to erase. Okay, let's crack into this guy, huh? Okay. There we go. Slow and steady. Wins the race. And nothing has happened. Okay. Maybe just lots of little cuts. Add them up. Cut the, okay. Lucky for us, they already made some holes, so we can still mess with this thing and have some fun. Alright, let's give it a turn. I don't even know where it starts. Is it two-hand? There we go. Can't see what I'm doing though. Ah, so I turned that. Let's draw a square. Let's start simple. Oh boy. Oh, is it moving? Which way's up? If left is left and right is right, then right would be up. Look at that. Right now, turn this one to the right. Okay. Hey, now we're moving along. And then this one to the right. What? What is happening? To the right. So it goes down. Alright. Shook it up. I'm just going to go for it again. Also, now there's a hair in there. Left. Left. Right. Right to the right is dead. It's going up. Nice, there we go, there we go. Left is, oh, what? I can never remember this. Right. How? I could still make a rectangle. Okay, that. So I turned it right, and right is down. Down, up. Okay. The best artists never erase. They roll with it. They just roll with it. Let's cut this in half. Oh no. No more shapes or decisions ahead of time. Just gonna start turning dials. See what we can make here. There we go. I'm getting it now. Let's make one of those curved lines they were talking about. So we see move these at the same time. Okay. I think curved lines are impossible, but see what you can do. Oh, just feeling the flow, feeling the flow. Okay. This is tiring. I feel like I'm starting to spell something. S-A. Oh, okay, that's gone now. Little adjustment, little adjustments. Then over. Okay, now down. Up. Come on, every time. Down. That was. Sometimes I move it nothing, sometimes I move it the whole way. Well, at this point I've made a bunch of squares, which was my main goal. Well, I don't know if I can technically call this an unboxing video, but here is the Etch-a-Sketch.